Okay guys, welcome. So 5 secret ways to increase your Forex profits and even make real money when trading on a demo account. A lot of people call me BS on this one, but guys, I made that myself. I did that in the past and anyone can do that. So I will show you how, okay? So today's agenda, really quick. Quick introduction about me and what I do. So 3 minutes tops. 5 weird Forex secrets, that's what you came for today there, yeah. Then additionally, never mentioned this, but you will also get 3 secret rules to win more trades. This is a game changer. That's my new product. You will be astonished, I'm sure. And at the end, I will give you my special offer for those who are interested to further work with my products. And of course, at the end, I'll give my questions and answers session. So if you have questions, get them ready. At the end of the presentation, I will be glad to answer every single question you will have about this presentation, Forex or whatever. Okay, so full disclaimer, guys, before we go further, okay? So you need to have a profitable trading strategy to make all these methods work. But if you don't have a profitable strategy yet, or your strategy sucks, then you'll love my 3 secret rules to win more trades that I used to double trading accounts for myself and other people before. So I am more a software developer than a trader. I'm in software business to help Forex traders like you, but I did have my successes in trading before. I'm not actively trading at the moment, and I'm not making 6 figures a month myself from trading, anything like that, but you will see how simple and logical my methods and tools are for any trader to use. So basically, if you can make like tiny 10% gain per month, then you can make even 6 figures following my methods. You will see. And think of me like a retired football coach who does not play football anymore but coaches other players. Sort of, yeah? Okay, guys, so let's begin. Before we dive into anything, please watch your expectations, okay? You will not make 1000% profit per day like this guy. I receive these texts quite often from people like this. It's like they're asking, if there is some secret scalping robot that can make 1000% per day. No, guys, there isn't. If there is, probably Wall Street has it already and you will never see it in your lifetime. So just imagine, okay, if I had that, I wouldn't be here doing any of these presentations so far, yeah? I'm sure you understand, so don't be naive, okay? So my promise that by the end of this presentation today, you will learn my 5 secret ways to increase your trading income by 100x and my genius solution to improve your trading results, okay? So, who is this for? Are you at the right place, okay? This is for everyone who is using Metatrader 4 or 5, for beginner traders, for pro traders, retail traders, institutional traders, Forex traders, CFD traders, stock traders, crypto traders, basically any traders at all, yeah? So, probably you're in the right place, yeah? So guys, quick my story. I'll be really quick. I know how boring these parts of presentation are, but I have to tell this. I will be really quick, okay? And also guys, I will be moving fast because there are more than 100 slides I want to present today. So, focus, please turn off all the distractions, laptops, sorry, not your laptop, okay? Other laptops, browser, Windows tabs, anything like that. Put your phone away, okay? And pay attention. So guys, I'm coding since I was 12, like in this picture, coding on some old Russian computer there. Yeah, so later I discovered Forex in 2008 when I was 25 or something years old. Yeah, and I just thought, I will become a millionaire like in a few months. And I was telling all my friends about that I will become rich, rich in a few months, and that didn't happen, obviously. So I soon realized that Forex is much more difficult than what you might expect. So I'm sure every one of you, if you've been in the game for a few months at least, yeah, you already know that it's a difficult and tough game because Otherwise, we all would be rich, and it doesn't, it wouldn't make sense. Yeah. So I realized that I won't become very rich from Forex in a few months to come, but I worked a lot on that one. So being a coder, I learned how to code like indicators and trading robots and stuff like that. And since 2009 to 2014, I was coding a lot of indicators in NEAs, like literally hundreds of them for my clients. That's how I was making the money, like a freelance coder, yeah? That's me and my newborn son, like in 2011 or 12, something like that, coding a new robot, yeah? So during that time, somewhere in 2011, I've created a profitable trading strategy and I called it Daily F. It was working quite well on my demo account and making me virtual dollars. So I wasn't making any money for myself because it was trading on my demo account, but I was making a lot of money for other people. Okay, if it sounds strange, just hear me out how that happened. So later, of course, I made money for myself, so I funded a live account next year. Funded it through Dukascopy. At that time, you had to use some fair trading technology bridge. I'm not sure if they're around now, but that was the deal in 2012. So I was trading additionally my live account on Dukascopy, and I doubled that account as well in the next 12 months. And again, made a lot of money for a lot of people, okay? So one of my clients, one of my biggest clients, he had like a $100 or $200 something thousand account, and I made him roughly around $71,000 profit in dollars. Yeah, $71,000 in profit. My share of 20% from that was $14,000. So I was trading my demo account and was copying all my trades, everything that I do on my demo account, to his account and all other traders, yeah, all my clients, my followers, yeah. So whenever I made real money for them from my demo account, they paid me real money as a share, okay? So that was like 10 or 20% share. Some people paid me a fixed 100 euros a month fee, and there were lots of people that I made money for them, okay? So this made me realize how powerful it is when you can make money for other people, because they will happily share some of these profits with you if you can make them money. Yeah. Actually, I've told my story in my book, How to Start Your Own Forex Signal Service. It's available on Amazon, but it's not about the book, so you can Google it later. Okay. Now let's begin and get to the meat of this presentation. So 5 secret ways to increase your Forex profits. And guys, I guarantee you those will be probably the weirdest secrets you've ever learned, okay, in any Forex webinar. They are quite weird, but they are effective, they work, and you can do that too, okay? So first one is what I call 10x FX profits. That's how to 10x Forex profits without increasing your risk and even make money trading on a demo account. Secret number 2, I call it unlock any Forex robot. This tells you how to get any Forex robot for free and make it legally work on thousands of Metatrader accounts without cracking the code, and even when its license is locked to one account only. Long sentence, yeah guys, I know, but I'll show you that in the detail quick soon, yeah? Secret number 3 is fail to gain. That's the framework on how to profit from losing expert advisors, Forex robot, or failing traders. Secret number 4, many to one portfolio. It's about how to create a profitable investment portfolio of multiple strategies and traders from social trading networks. And lastly, secret number 5, Forex income multiplier. How any retail trader can make 6 figures per month in Forex without depositing $2 million to his trading account. So those will be 5 secrets, and we will be moving quickly to see all of them, okay? So secret number 1, 10x FX profits. Before we begin, I would like to start with this quote from Zig Ziglar. It's a really great one, and it kind of tells what this framework is all about, okay? Guys, you can get everything in life you want if you will just help enough people get what they want, okay? Really powerful quote. So guys, the 10x FX profit framework, the main idea of this framework is to grow trading accounts for other people, not just yourself. Just think about it. If you're growing your own account, you can also do that for your friends, family, or clients. Okay? You're already growing your own account, yeah? You start by trading one additional account for your friend. They give you their main Metatrader password and you start growing the account, yeah? Simple. As you find more and more people, profits keep compounding, you grow more and more accounts, people invite their friends, okay? And lastly, that's the math behind the framework, okay? Just think about it. If you grow your $1,000 account by 10%, your profit is only $100. Well, face it, this won't get you far, yeah? You work hard all month trading on your trading account and you get your miserable $100. In terms of percentage, that's really good. 10%, that's really awesome. 10% a month, a lot of people would give everything just to get that, yeah? But think about it. If you manage, for example, 10 accounts of $5,000 each, that's a $50,000 fund total, yeah? So, and if you grow those accounts by 10%, doing the same what you're doing on your account, that's $5,000 profit, yeah? If you take 20% share, that will be $1,000 extra profit for you. So you made $5,000 for other people and they pay you 20% as your share. $1,000, yeah? So instead of getting just $100 for yourself, now you made a lot of money for other people and they also paid you $1,000. So 100 to 1,000, 10x. Ta-da! You get it now, yeah? That's 10x, guys. So imagine different scenarios. It's like you trade one extra account with like $50,000 capital, or maybe 5 accounts with $10,000 each, maybe 50 accounts with $2,000 each, which will become a fund of $100,000, yeah? So the main idea is you make money for others, they pay you performance fee, you increase your profit 10x or even 100x, everyone is happy, okay? So there are pros and cons of this framework, so let me show you. Cons are that in some countries you need to be regulated or get a license to manage other people's money. I don't think you need a license to manage the account for your close friends or brothers and sisters, but I'm not a lawyer. What can I know, yeah? Pros are that you can make money even by trading on a demo account. So you can trade demo account yourself and then clone everything to your friends and families or clients' real accounts, yeah? So they make real money, you make nothing on your account, but when they pay you a share from their real profits, that's how you make the money, yeah? So, and another good thing is that it's your trading strategy, it's your terms, you decide how much money you charge from the profits you make. 20%, 30%, 50%, you decide, yeah? Okay guys, once again, really quick, 10x FX profits framework. So you make a profit on your small trading account, that will be your master account, okay? But it's like $100 profit won't get you far, yeah? Then you find, for example, 10 investors like friends or family, those will be client accounts, you make money for them, okay? And they will pay you share. But how can you trade 10 accounts at once? Well, the solution is that we will learn later about it, is that what they call FX account cloning. You use FX account cloning method to grow other accounts. So if you make 10% on like $50,000 funds, yeah, that's $5,000. And how this makes you money? Well, you take 20% share from that. That's $1,000 for you, okay? Yeah, you probably ask, how can I do it? Well, questions. I already see you ask, how can I trade Forex, CFD, crypto, and multiple Metatrader accounts instantly? How can I control position size of each account because each account will be of different size? What if I do not have profitable strategy yet? Guys, I'll show my genius solutions later in this presentation. So, patience, guys. Secret number 2, unlock any Forex robot. How to get any Forex robot for free and make it legally work on 1,000 Metatrader accounts without cracking the code, and even when its license is locked to one account only. So, have you ever been in at a dinner at a restaurant with your friends and then split the bill? I'm sure you were, yeah? The unlock any Forex robot method works kind of the same way. A group of friends find a Forex robot they want to buy and then split the bill. But the thing is that, let me give an example. Let's say you find some trading robot and its single license for one account costs $500. And you're a group of 5 people, okay? So normally, for everyone to have such a Forex robot, you would have to buy a license each. So 5 licenses, $500, $2,500, yeah? So what's the solution? You have one option and 2 options. One option is even split. You split the cost 5 ways so that it will only cost 100% for each person. So 5 people, $100 each, $500. You purchase one license, yeah? Or option number 2 was what I call is free for you. You pay nothing, but 4 of your friends pay $125 each to buy a single Forex robot license. Okay? But I hear you say, well, it's a single robot license, so how, what's the point? Where are people of 5 now? And, yeah, the price is $2,500 for 5 accounts, but what's the point? So how to make that Forex robot work on 5 accounts? And the solution again, guys, is FX account cloning method that we will reach its explanation shortly, yeah? But basically it allows you to force the Forex robot from one account with just one license, yeah, it's locked to one account, instantly open same trades on many other accounts. It even enables you to grow many accounts using just one license of that Forex robot. Yeah, really powerful, guys. So you ask how you can do that. The good news is that your 4 friends paid for the robot, but you will be the one who has the solution to make that single robot work on all 5 accounts, including yours. So your friends buy the robot and you provide a solution so that all 5 of you can get the trades from that robot. Yeah? So you probably ask, how can one single license of that robot work on 5 accounts when it's locked to one account? Yeah? How can you get many Metatrader accounts on the same computer? How can one robot license place trades on 5 or more accounts instantly? Yeah? And what if all these accounts are of different sizes? I'll show you my genius solutions later in this presentation, guys. So patience, yeah? Secret number 3 is fail to gain. Really quickly, how to profit from losing expert advisors, Forex robots, and failing traders. So there's this rumor, okay, which is probably really a fact actually, that 95% of traders lose money. So if 95% of traders lose money, it means that most of the time they take losing trades. If they lose so many trades, then what would happen if you did the opposite? Just look at what others do and do the opposite. It's known as reverse trading. But it's not enough to take trades in the opposite direction. You need to fight with commissions, double spreads, entry delay swaps, etc. Okay? That's why I come up with a fail to gain framework. That's a special setup. Okay? So you take your master account, like a demo or a small live account. You put a failing robot or some trader, yeah, and you make him like lose the trades, like It's easier to find a losing trader robot, yeah? Most of people and most of robots just keep losing money, yeah? So then you set up a live account to receive the trades from that master account, but use the FX account cloning method in a special fail to gain setup to reverse those trades. So from that losing them account to your live account, you reverse the trades. And what happens is that buy becomes sell trades become buy trades. So a losing trader, if a losing trader has more losses than winners, your live account gets the opposite, more winners than losers, yeah? So you profit from losing trades. So eventually just understand that even the worst trader will have winners from time to time, like a broken clock is always right at least twice a day, yeah? So it's the same. But if your losing trader gets more losses, okay, so it happens so that you will get more winners on the reversed reversed side. Yeah. Secret number 4, many to one portfolio. How to create a profitable investment portfolio of multiple strategists and traders on social trading networks. Have you ever heard about this portfolio diversification thing? Basically, if you have all your eggs in one basket and someone takes it away, you lose all your eggs. But if you divide your eggs into 10 baskets and someone takes away one basket, then you will lose only a few eggs. Yeah? Simple. This is a basic explanation of diversification. Basically, every serious investor diversifies their investments by investing into separate companies, currencies, strategies, etc. Yeah? So the problem is that most platforms allow us to follow or copy only one trader or strategy at a time. So you need multiple accounts to copy numerous traders. And it happens so that a lot of times all these traders and platforms will require you, will force you to use some offshore unregulated broker that you cannot trust. Okay, so you might put like $1,000 or $2,000 there, okay, and risk to lose that to some unregulated broker, but probably you would never put like 100,000 there. Okay, but the solution is many to one portfolio framework. So basically, imagine that you set up 10 small accounts, like $1,000, $2,000, yeah. 10 small accounts to follow multiple systems from different sources. Those will be your multiple master accounts. They can even be demo accounts if the platform allows. So imagine like following multiple signals from MQL signals page. You can do that on your demo account. Then you can follow Zulu Trade with small live accounts, follow my Fixbook Auto Trade, use any Forex robot, find account managers with the investor passwords and so on. So these can be unregulated, maybe even demo accounts and small, whatever, yeah? But that's a lot of accounts. Then what you do is that you use the same mysterious FX account cloning framework, yeah, to combine all these accounts into one big client account. So for this account, you choose a reputable and regulated broker for your portfolio account. That will be a portfolio account, yeah, so to speak. Then with that system, you combine these 10 small accounts into one big account portfolio, yeah. You allocate only 10% for each strategy, and then you ask, so what's the point? Well, the point is that this is how you diversify the risk by not betting on one system or trader. Imagine like you follow 10 traders and 2 systems fail, yeah? 2 traders fail. The other 8 will cover the losses and will keep growing your account. Then you'll just replace those failed systems with new ones and just continue to grow your account. This kind of minimizes the risk of losing money with unregulated brokers as well. Just think about it, yeah? Secret number 5. Forex income multiplier. How any retail trader can make 6 figures per month in Forex without depositing $2 million to his trading account. Guys, who has $2 million account, yeah? To make 6 figures? Probably no one. But just think about it. 10% gain per month is absolutely awesome, yeah? But most people don't have big accounts, yeah? In fact, sources show that 30% of traders deposit between $500 to $1,000, and more than 50% of traders deposit $500 or less. So, guys, again, 10% gain on $1,000 account, that's $100. So, what's the point? Yeah, what's the point trading and putting a lot of work, trading all month and getting just like $100? Or even if you're trading on a $500 account, that's like $50. So, what's the point? Yeah, but if you can make that same 10% gain on $2 million account, yeah, that's $200,000, yeah? So, remember, you're insane. I don't have $2 million account. But again, hear me out, okay? Well, you don't have it, I don't have it, but I know who has. The Forex income multiplying framework is all about to be like getting funded by different Forex prop firms, okay? If you've never heard about Forex prop firms, those are the firms that kind of give you the money so that you can trade, and they kind of do these challenges. And if you can prove that you can grow, for example, $10,000 or $50,000 account, then they can easily give you $200,000, $300,000, and grow from there. But the goal is to get funded with like 10 prop firms, yeah. But of course, You start with one Forex prop firm account, but the goal is to get multiple accounts from different prop firms to scale to $2 million. And when you participate in these prop firm challenges, so basically roughly around $150 can get you a $10,000 account challenge. And if you pass that, they will get you to the next level. And if you pass that level, then they will fund you like probably 200K or whatever. That's the deal, okay? Different prop firms offer different they basically give different parameters and deals, yeah? But most of them allow you then, when you make money on these big accounts, they allow you to keep up like 80% profit split. How awesome is that, yeah? And you do not need to get regulated or licensed to do that, because you're not trading other people's money. You're trading money of that prop firm, okay? So it's kind of, they are legally regulated probably or something like that, yeah? So you keep trading your regular Metatrader account, which will be your master account, like the one that you're making $100 a month on, yeah? That doesn't get you nowhere. But you can mirror these trades from the regular account, from your regular account, or you can use one of your prop firm's account as master account. Doesn't matter, but you have to have that master account, yeah? So the goal is to manage 10 accounts from like 10 different prop firms, $200,000 each. And of course, you start with one, then you add another one, the third one, and so on. So this probably will take you months, but face it, it's better than making $100 a month, yeah? So how can I trade on 10 Forex Prem accounts at once? Easy. The mysterious FX account cloning method that we will see and learn in a moment, okay? But you use that to grow all your prop firm accounts at the same time while trading on the one Metatrader. 10% on $2 million fund, that's $200,000. And how does this make you money? So you just made $200,000 for your prop firms, and most of them will pay you like 60, 70, 80, 90% share at first, then it goes to like 70 or 60 or 80. It's like different prop firms, but even if it's like 60% share of 200,000, that's $120,000. That's your six figures, guys, okay? So some prop firms allow you to use profits to build like a large real account for yourself. You'll see, you'll see that once you start studying these prop firms. So here's the math behind Forex Income Multiplier, really quick, guys. If you grow your $1,000 account by 10%, that's only $100, yeah, miserable $100. But if you get funded with different Forex prop firms to manage 10 accounts of $200,000 each, that's $2 million fund. And if you grow that by 10,000, that's $200,000 profit. 60% share of that, 120K, that's your six figures, yeah. And it takes, like 10% monthly growth and FX account cloning setup. Okay, so here's the hard, or as I say, impossible way to do all these, like trading on so many accounts, yeah? You calculate, just imagine this, you calculate lot size for Metatrader account 1, you open a trade on Metatrader account 1, okay? You calculate lot size for Metatrader account 2, and you open the trade on that account. The entry price is already different, of course. Then you calculate lot size for account number 3, 4, 5, and so on, yeah? And by the time you open the trade on account number like 23, the entry signal is dissipated already. You're too late. Yeah, it didn't work. That's impossible way, yeah? Oh, guys, don't forget to put a stop loss and take profit on each account on each of these trades. That's literally impossible. It will take like 1 minute for each trade. You'll have to have multiple computers, at least monitors, multiple keyboards to make it as fast as possible. But that's the hard, the impossible way. So guys, do you want the easy way that does not require you clicking buy and sell buttons on every account manually? Guys, I can open identical trade on 20 accounts in just 1 second or faster. For more than 10 years, people share thousands of trades every week using my solution automatically. Okay, that's really powerful, guys. And I call this FX account cloning system. And it requires a special software. We'll get to that later. But basically, FX account cloning system is about how to quickly clone your Forex account profits to many other trading accounts automatically in less than 10 minutes. So what's FX account cloning? The main idea of the FX account cloning is that you link other Metatrader accounts, those will be your client accounts, to your account, which will act as a master. This way, every account gets every trade that you place on your account. So your account is a master. Once you place any trade, every client account will copy that trade instantly, yeah? So there are a few steps to that. So step 1, install Metatrader platforms on the same computer. The trick is to install each into the separate folders. You can run more than 100 Metatraders on a powerful VPS. If you have regular VPS, you can run probably 4 to 5 Metatraders. The trick is that you'll have to log in into one account on each MetaTrader, because MetaTrader doesn't allow to log into multiple accounts at the same time. So if you need to have 10 accounts, then you'll have to have 10 MetaTraders, yeah? But that's really doable. It's like MetaTrader allows that, and like thousands of people do that every day, okay? So this is how it looks like a screenshot from my computer, like MetaTrader 1, MetaTrader 2, MetaTrader 3, like Pepperstone 1, Pepperstone 2, Pepperstone 3, and so on. So different folders for each MetaTrader, yeah? Step number 2 is to connect accounts with the local trade copper software. That's the software I created like more than 10 years ago. And there are so many people using it, and thousands of trades are copied with this software every week, okay? Step number 3 is to grow accounts, okay? Remember, you are growing your account, and you connect a lot of other accounts to grow them as well. So you continue trading your main account, and the software will make sure every connected account opens identical trades instantly. So you make a loss, all the accounts make a loss. You make a win, all the accounts make a win as well, yeah? And lastly, step number 4, depending on which framework you're using, which setup, that you take a cut from the profits you make from other people, yeah? That's how 10x or even 100x your profit. There is no limit, guys, okay? The more accounts you have, the bigger profits you can make. So, really quickly, guys, there are 2 ways to set up local trade copper software. So, one of them is what I call is that one-to-many copycat. Is like when you copy one account to many other accounts, like do all the exact same trades. And then there's another setup, many-to-one copycat. That's how we aggregate trades from many trading accounts into one main account, yeah? So really quickly, one-to-many copycat, it looks like this, okay? It's perfect for 10x FX profits, unlock any Forex trade, Forex robot, fail to gain, Forex income multiplier. That's the setup you use, yeah? You choose one MetaTrader to act as a master, like the black one in the middle in this example, and all these other accounts around it is a client's account. So you link all other accounts to that master, and they will act as client's account, copy every trading action from that master. So you log in into each account, separate MetaTrader platform running on the same computer. So we see like 11 platforms there. It means like one master, 10 clients. It means we can do like 11 accounts there, yeah? Here's guys like one of my clients, Chris, he had a really great success with FTMEO. FTMEO is like a Forex prop firm, and he did this challenge, and he passed like these both challenge steps, okay? He completed the challenge. He had $100,000 and had to make 10%, yeah, $10,000 profit. He did that. Then he got another $100,000 account. He had to do 5% with a certain drawdown, maximum drawdown, yeah? And he did that as well, and he got funded with FTMO. So Chris did it. He has now clients, other people with FTMO on other accounts, and he's copying trades for them. It's really awesome, yeah? So the second setup is many-to-one copycat. And you probably remember this one is from the many-to-one portfolio that I show you. It's like all these black computers around one, yeah, it's these black accounts. So imagine those are different traders and robots from different platforms, small accounts with unregulated brokers or even demo accounts, and you do in a way, set up in a way that everything goes, aggregate those trades to that one portfolio account, yeah? So we have lots of masters, link them to one portfolio account. That's your account with a regulated broker, probably a big account like 10, 20, 100,000 bucks, yeah? And of course, you log in into each account separately on this setup, yeah? So, for more than 10 years, people copied thousands of trades every week using my software. And I believe it's time for a trade copper demo. Here I am, I'm in my VPS server, and I already prepared, to make it faster, just, because we don't have a lot of time, I already prepared 4 trading accounts. So I have this Metatrader 4 right there. That will be my master account, okay? So I will open a new chart, and I will put the server EA. Here we go. It means now it becomes the master account because I put a server EA on of the local trade copper, and it will send all the trades to all the accounts. Now this account, let's see what's that. That's a Pepperstone. Yeah, that's the Pepperstone account. So I will open Euro-dollar chart again, and I put client EA. Okay, it means that this client EA will copy trades from that server EA, from this master. Yeah. Then we have Metatrader 5 from Admiral Markets. So I will open Euro-dollar chart again, and I will put client EA there. Click OK. And lastly, we have another demo account, Metatrader 4, and I will put client account there, client EA there as well. Yeah. So here we go. We have one master and 3 client accounts. They are set up and ready to work. And here's what I do. I just open a new chart for trading. Okay. Let me open. I go long one full lot. I click buy, and you can see instantly all the 3 client accounts open the buy trade on Euro-dollar. Yeah. You can see that's a 1 lot on $50,000 account. This is copied as 1.08 lot on 49,000 euro account. So it does the necessary conversion and calculates correct lot size to risk the same amount. So if I risk, for example, I lose or win 1% on master, it means on this euro account I will win or lose the same 1%. Yeah. So the same with other accounts. This account is smaller. It's like $8,000. So its lot size automatically reduced to 0.18. Yeah. And this one is slightly smaller than the master account. It's like 49,000 something dollars. So it's 0.98 the lot size. Yeah. So as you can see, look, I closed the trade, and immediately all the other accounts close the trade as well. If I open some other pair, yeah, let's see, where is the Forex? Let's add a few more pairs. Yeah. Let's say Aussie dollar. I buy Aussie dollar. I load pound dollar as well. I go short on pound dollar. You can see it doesn't matter even if the client EA is running on just one Euro-dollar chart, it can copy all the symbols. It doesn't matter, okay? It can copy crypto CFDs, indexes like Forex pairs, whatever you do, okay? Everything is possible. And if I put stops, it will put the stops as well, okay? I'm not sure, it's probably too small to see for you, okay? But yeah, I just added stop losses, and all these client accounts just put stop losses and take profits. If I close these trades, all these clients close the trades immediately. So imagine having one or few robots, or maybe you're trading manually, yeah, on the master account, and you have these multiple accounts set up. If you get even powerful VPS server than I have, you can get 10, 20, 30, even more than 100 accounts on that one dedicated server, yeah, for example. So this way you can copy trades to a lot of accounts. So you just trade one account, and what's the best part about that is that I can take this account, this IC Markets demo account, log into that account from my mobile phone, Metatrader mobile app, and I can place these trades. And these trades immediately appear there as well on this VPS. And because it's connected with the trade copper to these client accounts, it will copy these trades as well. So it means that I can I can initiate or close trades on my mobile phone, and it will instantly copy to all the client accounts. So if you travel somewhere and you can make trades on your phone, and just like easy like that, you could be trading for like hundreds of people, yeah, if you have that connected. So it works well for others. You can see a lot of people. We have so many good reviews, okay? On Trustpilot, people love our software, and I'm so proud about that. Yeah, it's really, really great to see that. So, guys, this works with Metatrader 4 and 5 accounts, any account size, any trading instrument like Forex, CFD, stocks, any broker that has Metatrader 4 or 5, investor password accounts, any trading strategy, any other EA or trader. And if you ask, can you use it with other trading robots? Yes, simple. Just open another chart window and put your robots there. You can have 100 charts on Metatrader. So you must dedicate at least one chart for the server EA, and the rest of 99 charts can be your trading robots. I doubt you have that many robots, but if you do, you can do that. You can copy 99 robots to all your Metatrader other accounts, yeah? And if you're asking that if you have someone else's Metatrader investor password, can you copy his trades? The answer is yes. Will they know about it? No. Is it ethical? I'm not sure. I don't care. Some people say it's unethical. Others say, well, they gave investor password. They know you can take their trades. Well, yeah, whatever. So can I manage all these trades from my mobile phone, like iPhone and Android? Yes, I already told you that if you initiate trades on that and you have trade copper with Metatrader set up on a VPS or your computer, these trades will get copied easily. So what if other accounts are bigger or smaller? No problem. You can use auto scaling. You can adjust the risk. There are so many lot scaling allocation, these what I call money management modes. Yeah, there are so many different of them. I will not go through all of them there, but basically, yeah, it's possible. Guys, hundreds of people use my solution, and we have so many really, really great reviews. And here's one more success story from Matteo. He did FTMO success, FTMO challenge as well, and this is his success. He finished and even was able to withdraw his first profits. That's just a little over $1,000, but imagine how fun it is to do something like that, yeah? So now he's trading for FTMO, prop firm, and I'm sure he's doing well, yeah? What instruments can I trade with? Basically all currency pairs, euro dollar, pound dollar, like all index instrument, SP 500, Nasdaq, you name it. All stocks instrument, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, whatever. All metals like gold, silver, oil, gas, Indian equity market, Nifty 50. A lot of people ask about that. Seems quite popular. You can find that on our trade Metatrader. They also offer Cocoa and VIX and all other strange and weird instruments. Then you can do this with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and others that I will not pronounce their names there. Yeah, anything you have on your Metatrader 4 or 5, it works. If it's on Metatrader, you can trade it, you can copy it. And if your master and client account has different instruments names on all accounts, it doesn't matter, guys. There's a solution that I call symbol mapping. It's easy. You say gold equals XUSD or SP500 equals US 500, and it will copy trades just fine. That's really easy. And if you don't know what instruments you can find in your Metatrader, there's a quick trick. You go to Market Watch symbols and you will find a list of all the instruments that your broker offers. Yeah. So guys, who here thinks local trade copper is awesome? Tell me please in the comments, who here thinks local trade copper is awesome? So I just presented you FX account cloning system and told you how to clone your account profit using Metatrader, this Metatrader add-on in less than 10 minutes. So we have to move fast now, yeah? And we get to the 3 secret rules to win more trades. That's the part I didn't tell you that it will be in the webinar. So I'm really glad you're there and you're still listening to this. But basically 3 secrets are, 1 is to avoid strategy switching, 2 is to know the win rate of your strategy, and 3 is to readjust the market changes. Yeah. So secret rule number 1 is to avoid strategy switching. What it is? Just imagine trying to trade many pairs and different strategies at the same time. You will go crazy, guys. Avoid that. Don't force trades. You have to be patient and not change entry or exit rules. If you have a strategy, just stick to it. Don't change the rules. If you change anything, it's no longer the same strategy. You just switch the strategy, okay? After a few losing trades, you'll start adding additional indicators to filter bad trades. Yeah, we all done that. Yeah, but that will filter many good trades as well. Think about it. And it won't be the same strategy anymore. You just strategy switched. Don't do that. Lastly, you will throw this strategy away to find a new one to try. After all the changes you are adding to any process, it is already a different strategy. That's strategy switching. You should avoid that. That is how you get stuck in the strategy switching loop. You do this all over and over with all the strategies you find online. You have to focus on 100 trades and track all the stats. If 100 is too much, at least take at least 50 trades and and do 20 trades and see their stats to call the strategy good or bad, okay? So that's an example for you. Would you trade this strategy? A lot of people will say, I'm not sure, it's not going up. Maybe. What about this one? How about this strategy? It's going down. Probably say, no, I wouldn't trade it. What about this one? It's going down as well, yeah? Would you trade it? I'd probably say no. Guys, that's the same strategy. You see how it's going up? You just have to stick with the strategy to make enough trades, okay? Of course, it could turn out to be a bad strategy. That's how, why you should have multiple strategies. But again, when you have multiple strategies, you first have to learn how to manage your emotions like with one strategy, yeah? Do it right. Secret rule number 2, know the winning ratio of your strategy. So before placing a single trade of any trading strategy, always find out the winning rate and that, and other essential statistics of the previous 100 signals of your strategy on any given pair or time frame. You change the pair or time frame, stats will be totally different again. So you have to do this for every time frame, every pair, yeah? Do paper trading and write down every single trade, then calculate stats. Yes, guys, that's a lot of work, yeah? But of course, I have a simple solution, yeah? You just have to stick till then. Another thing is that you code your strategy into a robot and backtest in Metatrader to know the stats, yeah? That's probably the easier way. But you have to find a coder, it takes a lot of time, it takes costs you money, you have to know how to backtest. That's a lot of things, yeah? But guys, just know that you should ideally look at last 25 trades to know if the system is winning short term, and look at the previous 100 trades and its their stats to know if the strategy is winning long term. Okay, that's what I would recommend. So how do you know if any strategy is worth using? So I have a really great example. I watch quite a lot of videos on YouTube on Forex trading and always like to see what, how much nonsense is there already posted. But basically, many YouTubers recommend a golden cross strategy after showing some perfect cherry-picked trades. Yeah, they say, oh my God, the strategy, I made so and so money. Yeah, sure, I'm sure you did. So golden cross strategy is a 2 moving average crossover, which is 50 and 200, yeah? So the chart shows, like the chart you see now, shows only a few trades, so, we cannot judge anything yet. So if anyone says, look how awesome the golden cross strategy is, look at this beautiful short trade, but that's just one trade, so what? Okay, but how do we know if this strategy has a winner in the past? Okay, we cannot see the future, but at least I would want to know if this was a winner lately, yeah? So here is your answer. It's a failure, yeah? Well, it's a failure based on the previous 100 signals on euro-dollar 1 hour time frame. On other time frames, other pairs, it might be winning, yeah, but it might be winning now. Who knows what will happen later. But basically, looking at these stats, I see that win rate is only 34%, minus 735 pips loss, max consecutive losses 12. Why would you trade this? So with a special software, in just a fraction of a second, I can tell immediately that this strategy is no use, at least on euro-dollar 1 hour time frame. Well, let's see another time frame. What about euro-dollar daily time frame? Well, it looks much better. The win rate is only 40%, but the total profit is more than 9,000 pips. That's much better, but it's only 44 signals dating back to 1991. So it means if you followed euro-dollar daily with a golden cross strategy since 1991, you would have by now 9,000 pips. Yeah. So who has that much time? So as you can immediately see, it works, but you already understand that, well, for the daily time frame, it will take you forever to make any impact or money there, yeah? What about simple Bollinger Bands breakout? This is the example I made recently, yeah? It's a failure based on the previous 50 signals on euro-dollar 1 hour time frame. The win rate is only 30%, 99 pips loss, max consecutive loss is 9. Why would you trade this? Yeah? Why would you trade that? But what if we optimize to find best indicator parameters? Best indicator parameters with the Bollinger Band, taking into account a simple Bollinger Band breakout strategy. So when the price breaks out of the Bollinger Band to the downside and the price candle closes below the lower band, we go short, and if it breaks out to the upper side and closes on the other side of the upper Bollinger Band, we go long. Yeah, really simple and basic strategy. So here are the results. You can see already, yeah? After on-chart optimization with the FX Magnetic Optimized Labs, it looks much, much better. As you can see, the win rate is 52%, total profit is more than 1200 pips. We know what Bollinger Band's parameters to use, and more importantly, we know what stop loss and take profit to set. So we see is like 70 pips stop loss, 120 pips take profit, Bollinger Band period 40 with a deviation of 3. So in euro dollar 1 hour chart, if you did this since last year, since 2021 January, yeah, you would have by now 50 trades and you would be more than 1000 pips in profit. Yeah. So tell me, which one gives you better confidence to keep trading? Is that what you saw before with the default Bollinger Band settings, like with the Bollinger Band's period 20, or this one? I think it's pretty obvious which one is better. Yeah, this one's much better. Well, and guys, remember, while this cannot guarantee you success, admit that it's a way better to use something that's been working in the past. Yeah. So I just want to show you how the on-chart optimization works with the FX Magnetics Optimized Labs, okay? And we have this indicator for different like Bollinger Bands, RSI, MACD, you know. And in the future we will create even more of them, okay? So here we are. We have Bollinger Bands, period 20, and the simple breakout strategy. Yeah, it breaks to the upper side, we go long, breaks to the lower side, we go short. So now if we take if we add FX Magnetic B bands, yeah, indicator on that one, it will automatically calculate the last 50 trading signals and will show us what's the winning rate, what's the total profit of that, how many wins, how many losses, how many buys, how many sells, maximum consecutive losses, and so on. If we go to the parameters of the FX Magnetic, yeah, we can see that we can choose like 25, 50, or 100 signals. But to make it work easier, I just made 50. We can also choose a breakout or break-in strategy. So break-in will be we go long if we return to the we do the opposite. If we break out to the upper side, we go short. If we break out to the lower side, we go long. Yeah, it will be the opposite. But that's the regular breakout. So here's how it will work. So let me just set. So I want to start optimization with 40 pips stop loss. Maximum stop loss will be 70 with steps of 10 pips. Okay, I will start with 80 pips take profit. With 20 pips step, maximum 160, okay? And then we start with Bollinger Bands period 2 and deviation 2, Bollinger Band period 20 with deviation 2, and we go up to test to Bollinger Band periods 40 and deviation 3, okay? So I will click optimize now, start now, and this roughly takes well, it depends on how many variations there are, but on purpose I just calculated to have it not so much variations. There are only 120 variations there, okay? Because, you know, I didn't want to run like hour-long optimization there during presentation. So this should take roughly something like 30 seconds or something like that. And you can see it's changing on chart, and you can see how it's changing, and it recalculates all these parameters, you know, all these results. And it will then choose the best result, and we'll keep showing that, you know, we'll just stick to that best results, kind of. Let's see, it should finish shortly. And here we go. It finished, and it says, here we are, 70 pips, 120 Yeah, stop loss 70 pips, take profit 120, Bollinger Bands 40, deviation 3. Yeah, what I have to do is now go to the settings of this Bollinger Bands that I have on chart and make it match these settings. Okay, here we go. So if I have been trading this since 2021, January 25th, okay, it would produce me 50 trading signals and I would have more than 1,000 pips by now. Yeah. So probably you should, you can probably admit that it's way much better, yeah, to do it this way. Last secret rule 3, and we finish this and we get to the offer, yeah. So readjust to market changes. Eventually, markets change and every strategy might produce fewer trades or less profits. By knowing what stats you should expect from your strategy and tracking stats of the last 50 or 100 trades, you will see if the strategy is stagnating or not. If it's stagnating and such behavior is nothing new to your system, then you keep going and trust the system. So, for example, you know that like 5 consecutive losses is normal and you have 4 consecutive losses now. So, yeah, that is nothing new. Yeah, you've seen that in the past. Nothing new. So basically, you just keep trading further, yeah? But if you see like you have already 6 or even 7 consecutive losses, you probably start to realize that, probably your strategy is stagnating and it's time to re-optimize it, readjust, yeah, to new market changes. If several strategy metrics are off the track already, it's probably time to re-optimize, yeah? So no one knows how often you need to re-optimize, but we all agree that it's an inevitable task we have to do sooner or later. So you can try to re-optimize like every week, every month, every few months. It usually depends on the time frame. Like if it's smaller time frames, like 5, 15, 30 minutes, probably you might want to re-optimize every week maybe, or every few weeks. If it's like 1 hour, 4 hour, you go like every month or few months probably, well, it's like for you to decide, and it depends on many things. You just have to look at the situation, yeah, how it looks like. So guys, finally, let me ask you a question. Was this too big for you, too much for you or not? Yeah. So guys, how about I show you my offer, okay? Who would agree that you spent time well there, you learned so much new things, okay, and you want to go further and see the offer that I have to offer, okay? I have combined a bundle of so many things and I really would like to show you, okay? And I'm glad that you're interested, so we can move further, yeah? So guys, I present you the Trade Copper Hacking Secrets. That's the bundle that I want to give you today, yeah? So, what you're gonna get? First, of course, you will get the local trade copper for Metatrader 4, Metatrader 5, and I will give you the manager license. And you know what? I will give it free for the next 3 years. Free for the next 3 years if you get this bundle. How cool is that, yeah? That's the equivalent of 2,124 euros compared to the regular monthly subscription. That's what you're getting for free if you get this bundle today. So what manager license only get? Well, the software that works on Metatrader 4 and 5, software license for 5 computers, unlimited master accounts, it works on unlimited client accounts, and of course you get support and updates. Yeah? This works for many people, guys. You already seen how many awesome reviews we have on Trustpilot. So who this works for? Well, it works for everyone who using Metatrader 4 or 5, beginner traders, pro traders, retail traders, institutional traders, Forex traders, CFD traders, stock traders, crypto traders. Yeah, you will be able to copy trades from Metatrader 4 to Metatrader 5, Metatrader 5 to Metatrader 4, of course, Metatrader 4 to 4 and Metatrader 5 to 5. That's easy. So you will be able to copy manually open trades. You can copy trades from other expert advisors, trading robots, yeah? You can copy trades from investor password access accounts. You can copy trades from any broker with Metatrader account. Brokers can be the same or different on master and client sides, yeah? You can copy Forex, CFD, stocks, metals, index, crypto, etc. Yeah, everything works. If you have it on Metatrader, you can copy it. One limitation is that if your master account on Metatrader 5 is only hedging account, can be only hedging account. If you're using master as your MetaTrader 5, it can only be hedging account. The rest can be hedging, netting, doesn't matter. Yeah, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, netting, FIFO accounts like on the client side on the server works well. But if master is MetaTrader 5, it can only be hedging account. That's the only limitation I can think of for now. Yeah. So what if you already have a local trade copy license? Yeah, maybe you have one on the monthly or annual subscription. So don't worry, guys. If you take the offer, we will upgrade your local trade copper to the manager license for full 3 years. If you have like annual license, or you have same like 3-year license from other offers before, then we can add additional 3 years to your license. Okay, it's a win-win for everyone. Yeah. So what happens after 3 years? After 3 years, well, your software kind of expires. Okay, if you want to continue using it, you will either wait for some awesome offers like I'm giving you today, or you can get in a monthly or annual subscription from that date. Yeah, if you continue using it. If you don't use it at that time, just do nothing, it expires, that's it. Yeah, guys, it doesn't matter if you use MetaTrader 4 or just MetaTrader 5. Okay, oh, remember this, I use just MetaTrader 4, I don't need MetaTrader 5. But just think about it, you'll have both. What if MetaTrader 4 disappears next month? Yeah, and we'll say, okay, we're switching to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 will not work anymore. You will know that you're protected. You have your trade copper for both MetaTrader 4 and 5. Yeah, that's good. This will save you lots of time, guys. You can manage more accounts. It means you can take more clients. It means more profit for everyone. And if you're asking, will you be able to install this by myself? Yeah, by yourself. Well, guys, we have this awesome guide that shows you step by step how to do this. We have it in English and Spanish languages. Also, we have these English videos on the website. You just go to our website, go to video tutorial. There are these free videos there about installation, the demo, how to do one or this and that. There are so many videos, you will get tired watching them. Yeah. So, guys, what you're getting. Local trade copper from MetaTrader 4 and 5, 3-year manager license. That's worth more than 2,000 euros. Next thing you get is group coaching calls. Okay? So you will be, you can check the monthly coaching calls calendar, and you will always find there are at least 2 group coaching calls per month. So I'll always give like new titles, okay, and new topics for this each group coaching call, and we'll go to step-by-step setup and examples, and it's live, and there's always a question and answer session. Yeah, and it's always replays available. So if you join, you will be able to access all the previous replays, and you will be access all the future coaching calls. Okay, so normally, guys, I charge 200 euros an hour for consultation or coaching. 2 coaching sessions per month, that's 400 euros. Yeah, so I'm devoted to make 24 sessions of these group coaching calls, and that's a value of 4,800 euros. Yeah, there are already, I think, 14 or 15 of these coaching calls, so you will be able to access their replays immediately after you join, and there will be another 10 or something coaching calls coming up in the upcoming months. Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna get: local trade copper, group coaching calls for it says 12 months, but it's 24 sessions, 12 months starting July. Last year July I started them. So total value almost 7,000 euros. Yeah. Next, you get FX Magnetic Optimized Labs. That's the software I showed you that can optimize on the chart and find the best indicator parameters, yeah, according to the pre-coded strategy in that indicator. Basically, Optimized Labs is a series of MetaTrader 4 indicators that enable you to find the best settings by direct on-chart re-optimization. So you will get FX Magnetic for Bollinger Bands, FX Magnetic for Moving Average Crossover, MACD, and RSI. Okay, so it works on all major Forex pairs, 7 major pairs, and later we will release other versions that will work on more pairs, but for now they work on these major Forex pairs. Yeah. So guys, FX Magnetic is not just another MetaTrader indicator. With FX Magnetic's Optimized Labs, you can quickly find the best indicator parameters and know the exact stop loss and take profit to set for each trade for best accuracy and results. And here's that example once again. You take the FX Magnetics bands indicator, you put it on the chart, and it will, immediately lower the default settings, Bollinger Bands 2, deviation 2, period 20, and it will show you that those results are not good. Maybe they're good, maybe they're not. In this example, they're not good, yeah? Then you render optimization with your parameters. Just wait, depending on how many, of these variables there are to optimize. It can take somewhere between few minutes to maybe even, I don't know, like an hour or something. Like, it depends on how many variations you make to re-optimize, but it will find you the best variation, and you can play this on every pair, every major Forex pair, every time frame that you want, and this way you can find the best combination for the indicator. Yeah. So what you're gonna get: local trade copper, group coaching calls, FX Magnetic optimized labs for Metatrader 4 3-year license. That's now almost 9,000 euros, okay, of total value. So what else? Fail to gain strategy kit. This consists of 2 losing Forex robots for reverse trading using the fail to gain framework, guys. You will receive 2 losing robots that you can use on your demo or master accounts, and then set up client EA using the fail to gain setup. You can set that up to reverse the trades, and in return you can expect to make profit. Of course, guys, no guarantees. I cannot guess the future, but the idea is that the more losing trades there are on that demo losing account, and when you reverse the trades, you will get more winners. Yeah, this way. So once again, local trade copper, group coaching calls, FX Magnetic optimized labs, fail to gain strategy kit. Total value 9,218 euros. Yeah. What else? Profitable strategy finder. That's my video course on how to find profitable strategy you can start using immediately. How to avoid scams, what metrics to look at. Bonus that goes with this is a PDF. The profitable strategy checklist is those things that what you should verify when you analyze any trading strategy that you found online, analyzing their results. So this is a really awesome course that you will get immediate access to. So you already get all these things, including profitable strategy finder course, and that's already worth now total value of more than 9,000 euros, guys. And the last thing is the VPS Workshop for Metatrader, Meta for traders. Okay, how to choose VPS server, how many MT4s you can run, and so on. All these questions, answers, basically everything you need to know when you're working with a VPS and Metatrader 4. And this works for Metatrader 4, but nearly everything applies the same for Metatrader 5, guys. Yeah. So what you're going to get: local trade copy, group coaching calls, FX Magnetic, fail to gain, profitable strategy finder, VPS Workshop, total value of 9,512 euros. So guys, let me ask you a question. If all this did was finally allow you to trade Forex, not just for yourself, but also for your friends, your family, your clients, would it be worth it? What if all this did was allow you to 10x or even 100x your profits? Would it be worth it? The last question to you: what if it can improve your trading results with the right indicator settings week after week? Yeah, you can do the re-optimization on demand, anytime, any major Forex pair, any time frame. Yeah, would it be worth it? Ask yourself. You see, I had 2 choices. When I was creating this bundle, I had 2 choices. First option was to go cheap as possible and try to sell as many as possible, but let's face it, it wouldn't incentivize me to really stack the value. Yeah. Second option was that it requires you a little higher investment, but in exchange I could devote more resources to guarantee your success. Yeah, I can give you more things that you will need along your way to the Forex trading business, successful Forex trading business. Yeah. So guys, how much all of that is worth to you? How much would you pay to get this? What would it mean to you if you could 10x or 100x your profits easily by growing multiple accounts? How much extra money could you earn? 10,000 a month, 50,000 a month, more? How much? Yeah? How much would you pay to get this? Guys, remember, if you can make 10% profit monthly, that's all it takes to scale to 2 million with multiple Forex prop firms and make 6 figures per month. Yeah, I know that doesn't happen in a day or in a week. It will probably take you months to reach there, to be there. But you can start today. So 10% on $2 million, that's 200K, 60% of that, yeah, 120K. That's your 6 figures. You can see why it's a good deal at 3,000 euros. For general public, I can easily offer this for 49.97. But because you're special, because you spent how much time? It's like more than an hour today with me. Because you spent more than an hour today with me, I will give you this exclusive deal. For the first 10 people, I will give 500 discount. So forget the 49.97. You can get started today for just 997. Okay? 997 euros today. That's approximately a bit more than 1,000 bucks, 1,500 Australian dollars, or roughly around 850 British pounds. Yeah. So, guys, open new browser tab. Don't try to click the link. It's a video. Yeah. Open a new browser tab or a new browser window and type in the www.mt4copper.com/offer722. If you type in this URL, you will be able to get the offer. Yeah. Local Trade Copper 3-year manager license of the Local Trade Copper on mt4copper.com is normally 2,124 euros. And you get it free with your investment today in this bundle offer. And guys, I'm not making that up. If you go to the website, you will notice that the monthly price of Local Trade Copper Manager plan is 59 euros. Okay, for 3 years, that will add up to more than 2,000 euros. So you're kind of getting a really, really good deal on just the software alone, not to count all of the other stuff that you're getting, yeah? So now you have two choices, guys. First option, do nothing and not take the special offer, which is actually 100% risk-free for you. And the second option is to make the small investment today compared to all the value you'll get in return. That's really small investment. And just give it a shot, okay? After all, I give a 14 days, okay? 14 days of money back guarantee. Sign up today, and if you don't like it for any reason, just let me know and we'll give your money back. No question asked, okay? Well, we might ask a question, why are you trying to return it? But, we will return your money anyway. So, the real question is it worth gambling a few minutes of your time just to check this out, okay? This software will pay for itself as soon as you start growing accounts for prop firms or your friends or your family, yeah? It will immediately start to pay off. So, guys, once again, what you're getting. Local Trade Copper from Metatrader 4 and 5, 3-year manager license, group coaching calls, 24 sessions, future lives and previous replays, yeah? FX Magnetic Optimized Labs for Metatrader 4, 3-year license as well. Fail to Gain Strategy Kit, 2 losing robots included, yeah? Profitable Strategy Finder video course, Vps Workshop for Meta for traders. That's a total value of 9,512 euros. And you can get that today for 997 euros, yeah? So, let me answer a few commonly asked questions and then I will get to your questions in the chat, yeah? So, allow me a few minutes to answer those. So, what if I already have a Local Trade Copper software? As I mentioned earlier, if you have that already, we'll just add extra 3 years to that license. We just upgraded it. That's it. Fair for everyone, okay? What happens after 3 years? After 3 years, if you decide to continue using it, you can get on a monthly subscription, on annual subscription, or maybe there will be another great offer like this one at that time, yeah? If you won't be using it anymore after 3 years, you just do nothing, it expires, that's it, okay? What other tools do I need? Literally nothing else, just Metatrader and the Trade Copper. If you use FX Magnetic for trading, for optimizing these strategies, you will already get that, but talking about extra tools, well, probably VPS server, that's highly recommended, but it's not required actually, yeah? So how many client accounts can I have? We do not limit client or server accounts. It's like you can have unlimited accounts. You are limited to 5 computers and as many accounts as you can run on those 5 computers, you can use that many accounts, yeah? 5 computer license is too much for me. Can I get a smaller version? Well, if you want a smaller version, you can go on mt4copper.com. There's a personal license, personal plan. It costs much less. It goes for one computer. If that's what you need, it's perfect. Go there. There's even the free trial. You can do that. No problems. Do you have any payment plan, like paying 3 months or something? No. For this offer, we don't have any payment plans. You pay one fee of $9.97. You get all these things worth almost 10,000 euros, and that's it. Yeah. If you want to, like a payment plan, something like that, you go on the website. You pay monthly or annual. That's what you can do. But for this one, it's just one payment. Yeah. Can I pay through PayPal? Yes, we take PayPal, we take bank cards, credit cards, and we can also take wire transfers or cryptocurrencies. But for those, you should email us at support to ask for that, for bank transfer or crypto. Do I need a Windows VPS server? Well, it's highly recommended to have one, and you can email me. I'll give you a recommendation what company we offer. We work with them close for probably 10 years now. But it's not required. You can do this on your computer, on your laptop, it doesn't matter. Do I need to leave my computer on while the trades are open? Well, that's the good part, you don't if you have a VPS server. If you set it up on a VPS server, then you can shut down your computer, that's it. But if you don't have a VPS and you set it up everything on your computer, then yes, you have to leave your computer running, to make all the trade copying happen. Does local trade copy software work on Mac? Yes, it does. I don't have Mac myself, but I know that my clients are using it on the Mac. One solution is that you can have a VPS and then connect to that Windows VPS from your Mac and manage it easily from there. Or you can have some Windows simulator or something like that on your Mac and have your local trade copper with Metatrader installed there, something like that. I don't have a Mac, I can't tell exactly, but I know clients use that, yeah, they do that. Does local trade copper software work on smartphones? Well, from the previous presentation, you know that it does not. You cannot run it on a smartphone, just like you cannot run any other trading robot or expert advisor, because Metatrader mobile app doesn't allow that. But there's a hack, as I was explaining. If you set it up on a VPS or your computer, you can get, you can log into the same master account from your smartphone, and you can initiate or close trades, and it will be copied because you have the trade copper set up on your computer. I can't afford the $9.97 right now. Well, guys, if you can't afford it, well, maybe later you will be able to afford that. But always remember, it's a business. Yeah, it's a business. So it's not it's not something that you just buy and forget. It's something that you will use as a tool to make more money for yourself or other people. Yeah. So you can easily just take your credit card, put this on your credit. Yeah. This 1,000 euros, put it on the credit, and the first down payment probably you'll have to do like in a month or so, and it will be something like probably $50, yeah, depending on your credit card plan, yeah. Just think about it. It's for the sake of business, yeah. Can I copy trades from the demo account to the real account? Absolutely. That's how I started. I was copying from demo account to real account, made a lot of money for other people, yeah. Absolutely, you can do that. Does it work with synthetic indexes on the Reef M Metatrader 5? Yes, it does. We have a lot of people asking for this. Yes, it does. A lot of people use it on the Reef M5. You can use it. You can copy these synthetic indexes. It's like crash and boom and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't trade that, but there are many people doing that. Yeah. Do you offer support if we get stuck? Of course, guys. We have live chat support. We have email support. We have group coaching calls 2 times a month. There's our email support at mt4copper.com. We have lots of tutorials and videos and PDFs and articles, and I spend so much time creating all that stuff, guys. So please take your time, read that, watch that. We will help you get unstuck if you get stuck. Don't worry. Can I copy trades from Metatrader 4 to Metatrader 5 and Metatrader 5 to Metatrader 4? Absolutely. You will get local trade copy for both Metatraders. So you can copy from Metatrader 4 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 5, 5 to 4, any way you like, real to demo, demo to real, blah, 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 whatever. Yeah? Can I adjust lot sizes separately on each client account? Absolutely. We have probably 7 or 8 money management modes, so everyone will find what they're looking for. Yeah. Does it work with other expert advisors, Forex robots, so to speak? Yes, absolutely. The trick is that you open additional chart, on one chart you put the survey, on another chart you put your robot, that's it. They work together. You can have like 100 charts with 100 robots on your Metatrader. Do brokers allow using trade copper software? Absolutely, they love it. The more you trade, the more money they make. Why would they ban it? Yeah. They want you to trade as much as possible with the biggest lots possible that you can trade, yeah? So of course they love when you use trade copper. So guys, join now.